Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see this USHA branded heavyweight with water spray option dry iron. So here, see here, this is a non-stick plate that is mentioned on the product here. Yeah, German technology non-stick. And this also has the water spraying or water sprinkling function with the water tank of 50 ml. Okay, and the different fabric heating conditions, see here, nylon, silk, wool, cotton, etc. There is a dial so that you can adjust the heat here, and this push down button is for water spray. Okay, let me push it now. Yeah, if you can see at the front side, water is spraying out. Yeah, maybe I can zoom in so that it will be clear, and the look and the build quality is pretty nice when I see this USHA dry iron for the first time. See here. Okay, before this hot plate goes onto the fabric, if you sprinkle or spray a few drops of water, then there will be efficient way of ironing the cloth if it has more wrinkles. Okay, this is the power indicator, and this is the power cord of 1.8 meter, which is long enough. See here, many people wants heavyweight iron, and that too long power cord, and it has long power cord. That one thing I really liked it. The first thing I liked it is the build quality and the color and the looks. Just by choosing this looks, 400 rupees extra means I checked on the Flipkart. If we go for other color, it is 1300, and if we choose this color, it goes to almost 1700. Anyway, at the end of the video we'll see the online pricing details also. Yeah, the water tank you can just fill it with the cup they will provide in the box only, in the box package only. Yeah, let us check the online details also. See here, this got very much good rating, 4.3. See, I just changed the color. It was like 1339. If I change to this color, it is 1800, and this got 4.3 rating, and it got stylish looks, and this is 1200 watts, which means it will heat up very quick and high temperatures, you can say. It glides on fabric, does not harm or wear out the fabric top layer. That is what it mentioned, the German technology, the soleplate. Okay, when I have the physical lifting of this iron, I felt it is heavyweight only. It is 1.8 kilo. See here, 1.8 kilo means nearly 2 kilo heavyweight dry iron, you can say. 1200 watts. Yeah, means if you anyone are already using this product, please do share your opinion in the comment section, or the real user experience on the comment section. And if anyone wants a review video of that, please do ask in the comments. If I receive like around 100 comments, then I'll be posting a review video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.